I have no words to describe what I've seen today. A flooded area that is 3 times the total area of my country, Portugal. I mean, this is unimaginable. We are seeing an unprecedented natural disaster clearly caused by climate change. And this visit today, I mean, we can talk about the numbers, the people died, the areas covered, the number of livestock, but this is essentially about people that suffer enormously. People that have lost their houses, the crops, the cattle, the livelihoods. Some of them have to pay the loans that they had to ask for in order to plant what is now lost. So it is a human tragedy of an enormous dimension. And at the same time, I was deeply moved and inspired when I heard the stories of women and men that have abandoned their property, not take care of their own things in order to be able to go and rescue the neighbors and bring the neighbors to safety.
Right.
I mean, these examples of generosity, of solidarity, and of courage make me feel that the world has an enormous responsibility today. And that responsibility is to massively support Pakistan, because the dimension is enormous and Pakistan has not the resources to be able to support their people and to be able to recover the economy and the country. And not only support Pakistan, but also I think we need to stop this war on nature. Nature is striking back with devastating consequences. It's Pakistan, it's Chad, it's the Horn of Africa, with drought. The victims are not those that pollute. The victims are those that are in the places less protected against the devastating impacts of climate change. So international solidarity is not a matter of generosity, it's a matter of justice.